Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to create account on Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter. Make sure you have already downloaded Twitter app on your device. Once you open it, it will show you this kind of interface. Here you can create your account. Either you can continue with Google or continue with Apple or tap on create account. For now, let me go to create account. Now here enter your name and enter your email. And here enter your birth date. And then click on next button. Now click on authenticate. Now using the arrows, move the person to the indicated seat. So as you have successfully solved puzzle, it will send you a code on your Yahoo ID. Now go to your Yahoo mail and here it has sent you code. Copy this and paste here. You cannot paste, so type it. You need to create new password. Now tap on sign up. Here you have to add your profile picture. For now, let me tap on skip for now. You can later on add your profile picture. Again, click on skip now and click on allow. Now click on continue and again allow. Here tap the next button and here choose what you want to see on Twitter. Let me tap on music, sports and business finance. Click on next button. Again it is asking what you want to see on Twitter on sports and music. Let me tap on cricket, sport news, rap music news and tap on next. Here follow accounts which you want to follow and tap on next. So here you go, you have successfully created your Twitter account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.